All right, last night marked week 2 of The Bachelorette. Let's take a look.
The man I'm supposed to be with for the rest of my life is in this group of guys.
I'm just very glad I'm here.
Me too.
I am really into this girl.
This could not have been a more perfect date.
Today was just been mind-blowing.
Wow.
Emily is the most gorgeous woman that I've ever talked to in my whole life.
I really see a future with him. This time will be forever.
I've never experienced something so romantic in my entire life. There's nowhere else I'd rather be right now.
All right, lots to get to this morning with Penelope Jean. Penelope, first and foremost, very good morning to you. I just have to bring this up just for a second. So Ryan got his first date with Emily. They went to the house, they baked cookies for Emily's daughter's soccer team. Okay, they leave, they go to the soccer game. Emily did not want him to get out of the car. I guess because for fear that she didn't want him to mingle with other parents and everything.
Sure, you have to give it to her that she, you know, I think a lot of parents that are out there dating again say the same thing. It's not time yet to introduce them to your child or your, you know, friends, the friends of the children. So yeah, I mean, I think it's admirable, but I also think that they shouldn't have produced a show around that then if she wasn't ready to kind of go there.
Right, and that was kind of my question. I mean, I almost felt as though she was trying to show America, I'm such a great parent, but at the same time, maybe don't put yourself in that situation.
Right, but you know, it's a fine line between what, you know, what the show wants to show and what Emily wants to show. I think she's a great gal, so I think she's just trying to do her best as a single parent, so.
That's for sure. So she had her date with the 13 guys.
Yes.
She had one big group date. How do you think it went overall, Penelope?
I think it was fun. I mean, I love the Muppets. I think that was really cute. And
literally the Muppets were on the show.
Yeah, it was adorable. So yeah, I mean, it's kind of geared. It's a different season this year, right? It's a little bit less of the frat house humor and partying and a little bit more geared to her as a single mother. So I think it's good.
She looked great last night. What's the deal with a helicopter guy, also known as Kalen?
Kalen, yeah, nobody likes Kalen. So I think he just got off on the wrong start. You know, flying in on the helicopter just sort of set off a lot of the guys in the house. And it's just been like a domino effect for him ever since. He just can't recover. But his personality is a little bit different. I think he wouldn't jive with too many down-to-earth guys.
He just seems a bit dominating. I mean, they were last evening, I can't remember who she was dancing with. Maybe it was Aaron. I'm not sure. She was dancing with someone, and he just kind of steps in.
Oh yeah, she was dancing with Stevie.
Okay, yeah.
And he stepped in, and then Aaron came along and took.
Okay.
Yeah. So anyway,
well, all that going on. All right. Well, Penelope's got some viewer questions that were emailed to her. So Penelope, go ahead and ask your questions, and then hopefully we'll answer.
As Laura said, these came in from some viewers, and it's interesting because this is a kind of a silly thing, but a lot of people ask me this season after season: why is the driveway always wet? So you know when they come on the first night and they're pulling up with the limos, the driveway's always wet in LA every season and now also in Charlotte. Well, they just simply, they hose it down. So they hose it down because it looks good on TV, and that's really all there is to it. It looks nice, it looks shiny, it's kind of glamorous, and that's the only reason for that one, folks. So, and then the other question that I get all the time and just got the other day is why did they use the same stars? So Emily came from the season before, and they're always doing
recycling.
Recycling, that's exactly what I call it. The reason for this is because they come with a fan base. So they build their fan base on the previous season. So they then become the star of the next show because they're coming with a fan base. So they're looking for people who, because the fan base just equals viewers, and that's what we all want. So that's why it's done.
Penelope just answered 2 of your viewer questions, and very quickly I want to get to this one. Funniest moment from last night, Penelope.
Oh, there was a few. I mean, I was laughing. I think my neighbors might have woken up, but I thought the funniest thing was when Ryan, on the date that we talked about earlier, had written her a letter. So later, just before the rose ceremony, he brings her this 7-page letter, and as she's reading it out loud, because she's, you know, asked to read it out loud, his letter, poor Tony is waiting in the wings to speak to her and wants to steal her away, but he has to wait for 7 pages. So I was dying of laughter. It was good.
All right. Well, you know you can watch The Bachelorette only on ABC on Monday nights. Penelope's always here on Tuesdays to kind of give us the rundown in case you missed it. Penelope, thank you so very much for being here with us. And I want to mention this. We've got a contest going on Low Country Live. The Charlotte Regional Visitors Authority is giving Bachelorette viewers, listen to this, you get the chance to win a girls' weekend in Charlotte to experience the city the same way that Emily Maynard is. It's the Queen City Bachelorette giveaway. A winner and 3 friends will enjoy 2 nights in a suite at the Hampton Inn and Suites South Park, $100 to go to a restaurant and lounge, $300 for E2 Emerald's Eatery, passes to the Mint Museum, jewelry from Town and Reese, and a partridge in a pear tree, all kinds of great things. All you got to do is enter, but you don't want to call us right now. Go to charlottesgotalot.com charlottesgotalot.com. That's charlottesgotalot.com. The information is right there on your screen. And then you can enter right there. Penelope and I are not eligible, although we would like to be.
But we're going to go to Charlotte anyway.
We're going to go to Charlotte and try to find
Thelma
Emily
Louise.
and that Kaylin character. We're back in a minute. Stay with us.